Welcome back and prepare to be bedazzled because today under my tutelage you will learn how to procure the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Wild Force Putrid action figure on Amazon. As a pioneer of your own destiny, you are liberty to forgo doing so if you so choose to do so. However, if you are keen on procuring the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Wild Force Putrid action figure, then that is your prerogative if you so choose to do so. So without further ado, without further delay, let's allow the tutorial to commence. Once you have launched your web browser, you simply go to Amazon's website, which is amazon.com. If you're adamant about buying the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Wild Force Putrid action figure on Amazon, in their search engine, type in Power Rangers Lightning Collection Wild Force Putrid action figure. Once you have conducted the search, a myriad of listings will populate. Select the first one, which is most germane to the metadata. And as you can unequivocally see, we have a Putrid action figure. Is he meticulously detailed? Does he emulate his television series counterpart? Does he have decent shadings, textures, aesthetics, and a decent sculpt? Well, he's a decent figure nonetheless. If you're an avid, devout, hardcore avowed Power Rangers fan, then you will more than likely deem this action figure to be a robust, meritorious, extraordinary, remarkable, novel action figure. We seldomly receive Army Builder action figures in the Power Rangers Lightning Collection action figure line. Is typically of unique characters in lieu of Army Builder characters. So, in this context, an Army Builder character has been ushered into the Power Rangers Lightning Collection action figure line, which is indeed refreshing, to say the least. He comes bundled with an armament, so he can give his adversaries a thrashing. He's a Putrid character, deemed to be a sadistic, iniquitous, devious, cunning, conniving, malicious character. I'm under the axiom that he is. However, I'm not well acclimated with this character's lore. So, if you want to buy it, you're at liberty to do so. However, you can also forgo doing so. It's up to you. And if you're keen on buying it, then just select pre-order now, and then subsequently proceed to checking out if you're adamant about buying the Putrid action figure. Is he a stellar, extraordinary action figure? Well, I deem him to be decent, and I'm hoping that the price precipitously plunges to under $15, so that it's more feasible to buy him. I hope that you found this video to be insightful, enthralling, mesmerizing, captivating, riveting, and engrossing. I hope that you were regaled, bedazzled, and amused. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.